What's up, everybody? It's your boy Biggs. Just got back from work and I was able to get a cart. Finally get a cart for the shop. So now I got a rollable cart. I'm gonna get it out. I actually stuffed it in my roly-poly today and I had to take the wheels off, but it's pretty cool. It's the cart. So look at that. So I'm gonna get it out. We'll put it together real quick and I'll show what it's all about. Alright, so we got it out of the car and we have it here. Here are the 4 wheels. Here are the 4 sets of bolts and locking rings and or nuts that go with it. And here's the cart. So we like to paint it a certain color, you know, shop color or whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around, put the wheels on, and put it together. Okay guys, super easy install. This right here, we're just putting these 4 bolts with these 4 nuts and 4 lock washers. And they're just going to go in these holes. But to do so, you just basically take them from the bottom. Right here, you just take them from the bottom and you just insert them going up to the top. And then you turn it to where it mounts flush right there. And then you could just put your lock nut and your nut on it. And then there you go. That's pretty much it. And that's it. Put them all on. I've got all the bolts on there. They're like snug. They're not tight. Now I'm going to take a ratchet, 9/16, and tighten them all up. And there you go. Good to go. There you have it. All done. Many of these multi-million-dollar companies, they buy these things pretty cheap, and they only have like a span of like, I don't know, maybe a couple months to a year, sometimes longer. This one is really old, and they were going to throw it away. So why not repurpose it for the shop, you know? So I'll be doing all this stuff here. I might as well make use of it, right? So there you have it. It's all done. Car's looking good. I could put tools on it and go all up and down the driveway with it, and I don't have to keep coming back into the shop. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe down below, hit that little icon, and tell us what you like. You know, write a comment, hit that like button, and keep, you know, watching all the videos that come out. Tell us what kind of carts you guys have. I know as mechanics, you guys tend to have the metal carts. Metal push carts are nice, and you know they hold pretty sturdy. But this is just, you know, quick use up and down a driveway. So let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.